Hi, welcome. We are made Medical Engineering and Devices, a company by medical professionals. So we are specialized on electronics medical equipment. So today I am going to show you our latest anesthesia workstation. It's manufactured by Foremost Meditech, which is now India's leading manufacturer of uh, anesthesia workstations and ICU ventilators. So today I'm going to show you Foremost Meditech anesthesia workstation. So nowadays it is very important to have an anesthesia workstation when you are going for a long-term OT, or is there any orthopedic OT. So nowadays it's very important to have a anesthesia workstation because it helps a lot to reduce workload of a technician or a doctor, or it can assure the delivery of exact amount of air gas, like as exact volume or pressure. So with a anesthesia workstation, it's very easy to ventilate a patient as well as giving anesthesia. So it's most important, and in current practice and today's world practice, anesthesia workstation is very important. So now going to this machine, first of all, when you are talking about anesthesia workstations, few things you have to keep in your mind that you should have with the machine, so that it will help you a lot on all the aspects. Like first of all, we will discuss about this display. This machine is inbuilt with a high-end ventilator. So first of all, why we are using a anesthesia workstation? Because anesthesia workstation is inclusive of a ventilator, which ensures the exact delivery of amount of air or volume or mixing of gas, so that the patient will receive the exact amount of air which that the patient required as per the patient lung condition. So it will help the respiration of the patients very well, so that the comeback time of the patient is should be very less. So we have to keep in mind that the ventilator must be very good. So the ventilator inside here is a very high end with all modern modes. So it will help you in all kinds of patient situations. And the display is 12-inch full touch screen. Let's start the machine. So this is 12-inch fully touch display, and the first screen prompt you to select the patient type. So select the patient, last patient or new patient. So if you having the last patients in the same patient, you are going to ventilate again, so you can choose the last patient or you can go for the new patient. So in new patient, a pediatric and adult, both kind of patient selection is there. So the machine can be used for adult and pediatric both purpose. So in adult, you have also choice of male and female, because it will make the default parameter settings. So if it's male, it will set the default parameters as per the male default values. If you select female, it will set the parameters as per the female default values. So if you select the male, and then you can put the body weight. So it's ideal body weight as per the patient height. So let's say it's 42 kg, confirm. So now these are your modes. You are having pressure control ventilation, volume control ventilation. It's a mandatory modes. Then you have acid volume control ventilation. So volume control with patient triggering, and you have SIMB pressure or SIMB volume control. So both you have, either SIMB you are controlling pressure or SIMB with controlling volume you have. And then you have CPAP plus, means CPAP with apnea backup ventilation. This means within anesthesia or after anesthesia, you can continue ventilation to a patient to get a faster recovery. You can do the ventilations also, proper ventilations also with this machine. So it's allowing you to deliver all the required modes: pressure control ventilation, volume control ventilation, acid volume control ventilation, SIMB pressure control, SIMB volume control, or CPAP with apnea backup ventilations. So whatever the modes you are select, all parameters are here. You can choose and scroll the parameters. Also you can use this scroll. So you can use this knob to scroll, and also you can touch here. So when you confirm, it will start the ventilation, and the screen will show you the three graphs: pressure, volume, flow on screen, and the patient parameters. Also, if you need to watch the all patient parameters, you can go to monitoring, and it will give you the data of patient parameters which patient are receiving. So currently we have not connected with any gas, so it's showing drive gas failure because we have not connected any oxygen source or any nitrous source, anything. So now coming to here, this is your flow meters. One is for air, and other two is for N2O and O2. So here for high flow and low flow, both tubes are there. So all the compact things are there, and also it comes with a hypoxia guard. So whenever you are trying to start the N2O, it will automatically start the O2. Without O2, N2O cannot be delivered. And now coming to this take bar, so here you can put two vaporizers together. So one is already attached, and also if you wish you can attach one another vaporizer. So we have already connected here one sevoflurane. Also if you wish to connect isoflurane, the options is there, you can connect it. So here is the panel for your meters, pressure meters. So these machines can be connected to pressure pipeline. Means if you have a oxygen pipeline into a pipeline, you can connect it to pipeline pressure, or you can connect to a cylinder backside in the machine. There's the option to connect cylinders, so you can connect directly cylinders. It is very important. You should connect cylinders beside the machines and then connect to air gas supply, so that if there is any fault with air gas supply, then the machine can be run with oxygen cylinders or N2O cylinders which you put in backside. So all the functions is there, all the meters are there. You can check if the supply lines is having oxygen pressure, or if the cylinders you have put beside it's having the cylinder pressures. So all the cylinder pressures are here, and also there is the alarm. There is the N2 alarm, oxygen alarm. If the pressure is low, or if there is no oxygen supply, then the alarms will glow here. N2O fail, O2 fail. So you will be sure that your supply lines is okay. And then coming to this circle observer, this is your bellow, and this is your APL valve. So the FiO2 sensor is also there. Here you can control the manual and automatic mode. Here you can control the manual and automatic mode, and you can do the closed circuit and open circuit, both here. So in if you like to use as a Boyle's machines, then you can go for a open circuit, and for with Anesthesia Workstation you can go for closed circuit. Both the options is there, oxygen flash is there. And when you are using manual mode, you are using back manual mode, you are pressing from here to understand the pressure, which the highest pressure which is going to the patient when you are applied the APL valve. But you have to make sure the pressure. If you want to make sure the pressure, here's the display. You can see the airway pressure which is delivering to the patient. So you will be highly sure about the air delivery, and the machine is upgradable to ETCO2, SPO2. So here the panel is there, it can be upgradable to ETCO2, SPO2, or else we can set a made monitors with this machine. So this monitor will monitoring the patient all the vital parameters like NIBP, SPO2, ETCO2, whatever the parameters you want, we can put the made monitors over here with these machines, or these machines also can be upgraded. You can fit the parameters in the machines, and the output will be connected with this. And also the doors are lighted. So OT, if there is a dim light, you can find your accessories and your usables here. The light source is here, so you can easily find in dark condition in OT. And the machines also configured with light system, so everything is visible in OT. It's very important. And the machine is having battery backup. So if there is a line failure, the machine can be run up to 8 hours with inbuilt battery. So it is also again a very important features with these machines. So this is foremost Anesthesia Workstations, and we are medical engineering and devices with the authorized stockist for West Bengal. So for any more details, connect with us. Thank you.